All right, good morning. It is April 1st. April Fools. Just kidding. Just kidding. I said just kidding twice. That was crazy. But it's April 1st, 2021. It is Vlog 63. It is Thursday, and I'm excited. Yeah. We're all the way in April already, and wow, this year's going by pretty quick. But yeah, let's start off the day right. Nice. Nice. I don't have any more coffee. It's okay. Actually, I think I need more coffee. I'll make some in a minute. But anyways, let's look at the weather. Yesterday it got like super hot. It was kind of crazy. I was like, whoa. Went from 60 to 88. It was pretty crazy. But let's look at the weather today. And wow, it's already 77. It's crazy. Let's look. iPhone. Wow, 79, and it's gonna be 80s. It had some rain thing earlier. It's almost like Hawaii weather right now.
It's coming in.
Hot and rain.
Mm-hmm.
Hot and rain. Let's see. 80s. Tomorrow's gonna be 63. I don't know. I don't know if I trust these weather reports sometimes because they always come out different. It's be nice to be a weatherman. All right. So that's what's happening in Long Beach today. Yesterday, I was trying to remember what I did yesterday, but yeah, I woke up at 9. Why did I wake up at 9? I forgot what I did in the morning because I think I was just trying to finish up on some videos yesterday. And yeah, that's what I basically did. Carrie was working. We finished up the community videos, our DIY community videos for the hand pan. And I still got more to do, but working on those. I also finished up RS promo for spring promo. We have some RS9s in stock, so that'd be really cool. And I think I was just doing computer work yesterday. It's like a lot of stuff I was doing. I think my hard drive I needed to... Oh yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, and yesterday my hard drive was tripping out. I think that's what it was. Yeah, yesterday my hard drive was tripping. I thought I lost everything. It was like crazy. I think I was talking about that earlier. Nuts. But anyways, and then during the day, I think, yeah, I just get stuck in computer work. Sometimes we just do a bunch of stuff. It's so nuts. And then, actually, I had to take a nap yesterday. I did take a nap. It was later. And then I had my Ook social at 6:30. We had Amy, Dean, and Nikki. They are awesome. Actually, I did my song. Ook song, 100 day Ook song day. What was it yesterday? Where's my books? My books. Ooh, day 60 yesterday, and I did Jim Crow Croaky, I Got a Name. That was a tough song, actually. It's a lot of bar chords and stuff like that, but it was day 60. Wow, on day 60 on the 100 days of Ook and only 40 more. Crazy. Wow, it's so nuts. One take, rewrite the song, and go for it. That's so awesome. I'm so proud of myself. Pat myself on the back. And then, yeah, I did my Ook Social song, and it was Jim Croce, day 60. Awesome. I Got a Name. A name. Jim Croce. What's that? Jim Croce. I don't know how to say that. Croce. But that was a good song. I think I could have done a better thing, but it was all right. It was good. But let's see. And then we had family dinner, and that was with Kelly, Scott, Lily, KK, Carrie. Oh yeah, and Zach.
Zacharilla.
And Zacharilla. He came over. That was fun. We were just hanging out. Lily made spitzel. I don't remember eating that. Because she ate when we.
Yeah, Oma made it for us.
Alma made it, but we had a bunch of other stuff too. So yeah, it was crazy. But yeah, it was really good. It's like it's basically like German cacio e pepe or German mac and cheese with Gruyere cheese and onions. It was really good, and we grubbed on that. And then they made what'd you get? Beignets last night. And we made beignets, and we were just talking. It was cool. It was cool. All those young kids all grown up. So crazy. Yeah. Life moves fast. Gotta live life. Live it.
Are you quoting Ferris Bueller?
Am I?
I think you are.
Was that Ferris Bueller? See, I was programmed to say that because I used to watch Ferris Bueller's when I was younger. Movies probably. I talked about that earlier this week. Movies program us a lot too. It's kind of crazy. We can remember quotes from movies, but we can't remember what we did yesterday. Pretty amazing. And then we just chilled out yesterday and had a good talk and family dinner, which is cool. It's always fun to have that. Today I have an appointment. I have a virtual appointment at the office for a handpan thing. That's gonna be in the next hour, so I have to get ready to go soon. And then what else we got? Carrie,
Huh?
what do you got today?
I'm working on sending some invoices.
Invoices.
'Cause
Payday.
Because it's the first.
It's payday. We got rent.
Paying
We
some
got
bills,
gotta pay some bills. Fun.
doing some work.
That's what we're doing today. And we got some work to do. Probably more video editing. I still got to do my song today. Oh, write songs. I did that yesterday too. Got that. Wrote a song sheet. What did I write yesterday? It's funny. Let's see what I wrote. Did I write Wonderwall? I think I wrote Wonderwall yesterday. Or All Night Long by Lionel Richie. It's so cool. All night long. I just gotta get that one part. Tomboli de se de moya. Oh, I did it. Tomboli de se meo. Tomboli de se de moya. Hey, Jumbo Jumbo, way to party, oh, we going. Oh, Jambola. I don't even know what that means. Tomboli de se de moya. Yeah, Oh, I'm gonna totally get that. That's gonna be so funny. Let's see if I can sing it. Tumbly de se de moya. Tumbly de se de moya. Yeah, Jumbo, way to party, oh, we going. Oh, jambalaya. That was my practice for that part. That's the only part I can't sing well. So I gotta just do it over and over and over again. Keep on strumming ukulele. But writing the songs are fun. You learn a lot, and you learn a lot about the words that you didn't know. And just sing over it. But let's look at some birthdays, and that's all I got for me today, because I gotta get going. Birthdays. I saw some cool birthdays today. RG. G Money. What up? Damn, I haven't seen you in a while. Rob G in the house. Dude, I haven't seen him in a while, but I've been lurking on his skateboarding, and he's still killing it, man. Happy birthday, Rob. It's been a while. Hopefully we get to skate soon. Mike Torres. God, Mike Torres. Oh, my gosh. So funny. We used to work together at PC Mall, and actually I was in his wedding. It was kind of crazy. He, like, I think it was last year, he sent his wedding video, and I totally forgot about that. It was so crazy. Wow, that was a crazy time. Happy birthday, brother. Hope everything's well. Rob G, you the man, and happy birthday. So hopefully everything, and whoever's birthday I didn't get to, happy birthday today. It's on April Fool's. That's pretty funny. Imagine that. Honey, we're having a baby. No, you're not. It's April Fool's. You're kidding. But anyways, yeah, that's all I have for us today. It is April 1st, 2021. It is vlog 63. Yesterday I said it was vlog 61, so that was my pre-April Fool's thing, but it was actually vlog 62. But today is vlog 63, and that's all I have for you guys today. And like always, tumbly me se de moya, hey jumbo jumbo. Every day, keep on strumming ukulele.